Mr. President, thank you for giving me the floor. Lead debate on the bill for an act to alter the provisions of the Border Communities Development Agency Act 2006 as amended to insert additional border communities in Nigeria and for related matters 226 SB 1025. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I wish to lead the debate on the amendment of Border Communities Development Agency Act 2006 as amended. The bill seeks to insert additional border communities in Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Lagos, and River States. It also seeks to address long-standing administrative anomaly affecting certain communities currently listed under Nembe local government area of Bayelsa State, which geographically belong to River State. The bill was read the first time in the Senate on Wednesday, the 22nd of April, 2026. The Border Communities Development Act of 2006 was enacted to provide a structured development framework for communities located along Nigeria's extensive international borders. However, for two decades after the passage of the Act, several border communities in Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Lagos, and River States still remain unlisted and therefore excluded from the projects, funding of the Border Communities Development Agency. This omission has created development gaps, worsened security vulnerabilities, and left thousands of citizens without access to support which the Act was intended to provide. This bill seeks to correct that oversight and ensure that deserving border communities benefit from the objectives of the Act. The second component of the bill addresses an issue that has persisted for many years. It involves a set of communities officially documented under Nembe local government area of Bayelsa State, but which in reality are contiguous and functionally attached to bordering local government areas in River State. These communities, one, share direct land and riverine access with Rivers State. Two, are geographically more accessible from River State than from Bayelsa State. And three, receive social and economic services from River State due to natural proximity. This continued misalignment has created avoidable administrative confusion, service delivery challenges, and development stagnation, while the proper border communities in Nembe local government area are deprived of benefits accruing under the Border Communities Development Agency Act. This bill, therefore, seeks to regularize the status of these communities under their correct local government areas in River State, thereby aligning official records with geographical realities. Benefits of the proposed amendment. One, strengthen national security. Border communities are often the first point of contact for cross-border threats. Bringing more communities under the framework of the Border Communities Development Agency will enhance surveillance, improve infrastructure, and strengthen federal presence. Two, promote inclusive development. Communities previously excluded will now have access to federal projects such as rural roads, schools, water supply, health centers, and economic empowerment programs. Three, restore long-standing administrative confusion. By placing the affected communities currently listed under Nembe local government area of Bayelsa State within the appropriate administrative units in River State, the long-standing confusion will be resolved. Local and constitutional basis. The bill is in full compliance with Section 4.2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which empowers the National Assembly to legislate for the peace, order, and good governance of the Federation. And the Border Communities Development Agency Act 2006, which allows for the expansion and revision of the list of recognized border communities. Conclusion. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, this bill seeks to give voice, recognition, access, and federal support to border communities that have been omitted and neglected for too long. I therefore urge my distinguished colleagues to support this bill and allow it to be read for the second time. I so submit. Thank you, Mr. President.